is the Taste of Tracey Road. It's our annual open house that we do.
We've been doing this for about a decade,
and it's a great opportunity for customers to come out and see what we have to offer here at Tracey Road.
I haven't been to this event before, so I've heard other companies talk about it, and I just want to see what it's all about.
My name is Michael Bilella. I work for Liebherr USA company, and I look after customer service for the U.S. The Tracey Road Show every year is a great event for us to get out and meet the customers directly. They have a great showing, and they put a lot of time and effort into this, and we're happy to be here to support them. We're a relationship-driven company, and it's a relationship-driven business. So being here and meeting customers directly and spending time with the Tracey Road team is invaluable. Tracey Road is one of our premier partners. Has a very strong team of hardworking people that take care of their customers and ours. So it's a really great relationship. In my role, I look after their service support, and so parts, warranty, technical training, and they've got a fantastic team. They train their technicians and they treat their customers very, very well.